Hello friend, this video tutorial is all about the installation of RTC module on our Raspberry Pi. To connect through our Raspberry Pi, I have using the VNC viewer and I've already shared how can you use to connect through our VNC viewer in my previous tutorial. And the wiring diagram of RTC module with Raspberry Pi will be shared in an image on in the description below, or you can see on the screen also. So if you want to connect your real-time clock module, there are various real-time clock module available. I am using the TS1307 module, and let's do it and start it. Okay, now after connecting your hardware you have to require some changes in your operating system also. So just like if you go in preferences, then Raspberry Pi configuration, and you have to enable I2C. It is used to connect your module with your Raspbian, and you have to enable all these also, all these SSH, VNC, SPI, I2C. I2C is required for this purpose on this in this module also. So after enabling, you have to reboot your Raspbian Pi. I have already enabled, so I'm not going to reboot it. And after that, after rebooting, connect it will automatically connect with your VNC and start the terminal. So going in terminal, you have to check which hardware address it is detecting on your I2C. So you have to write this command sudo I2C slash I2C detect 1. In case of olden hardware, you have to use 0. So okay, it is used, it was earlier 68. So after that you have to run this command. Okay, it by using this command it has added to the system that I am going to add this module in our SBN. And after running this command, you have to run this command, and we have to add this line in our window. Okay, it has already written to my command, but you have to use this command to write on this. After writing, you have to exit from the base, and you have to add read. It has already read a time. Now you have to same command. Now you have to write on hardware. It is written on the hardware, and now to add, if you want to read your hardware always from this I2C module, you have to use this command. Okay, it is showing that it is not finding any module because I have already added up. So after going this addition, you have to add the module DS1307 in the command. I am going to add these line in our comment section.